Allah, don't skip me, don't skip me, don't skip me. Please don't skip me. Don't skip me. Are you girl? Allah, sorry, no, not that question, not that girl. No, what are you doing? Sound changed, vision changed, what? Hello, what is your name?
My name is Soumya.
Soumya. Where are you from?
Delhi.
Oh, you look like a deer, a cutie deer.
Yeah.
Are you really a deer?
Yeah, obviously.
So, dear,
Yeah.
what are you doing in life?
I am studying.
Which class?
How old do you think I am?
I think you look like in degree.
How old do you think I am?
Oh, you look. Are you 18 plus? Allah, are you 18 plus? No.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Guess.
Guess. Okay. I think you are 19.
I'm 21.
21. You look so younger than me. Look, guess I am.
Why are you speaking like that though?
I don't know English very much. So little problems there and here. Don't mind it. അല്ല പോയി നല്ലൊരു പെണ്ണ് പിക്കപ്പ് ലൈന് കള്ള നായിന്റെ മക്കളെ പിക്കപ്പ് ലൈന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി നിൽക്കേന്നടാ.